Hello and welcome. Today's lesson is called Listening to English for Beginners Family Means Love. In this lesson, you will practice listening to simple English sentences about family and love. The words are easy, the sentences are clear, and the speed is slow, so beginners can understand. Why did we choose the topic Family Means Love? Because family is the first place where we learn care, support, and kindness. Talking about family helps us practice everyday English and also reminds us of the people we love. While listening, try to focus on the pronunciation, repeat the sentences, and understand the meaning. Don't worry if you don't catch every word at first. With practice, your listening will improve step by step. So, let's begin our English listening practice together and explore why family means love. Family is one of the greatest gifts in life. It is the first place where we feel care. It is the first place where we learn about love. When a baby is born, the family is there. The baby feels warmth in the mother's arms. The baby feels safe in the father's hands. Brothers and sisters play and laugh together. Grandparents give gentle hugs and advice. For example, a mother wakes up early to cook breakfast. A father works hard to provide food and shelter. An older sister helps her younger brother with homework. A grandmother shares a story to teach wisdom. These actions may look small, but they are full of love. Life is not always easy. Sometimes we feel weak. Sometimes we feel afraid and sometimes fail, but family gives us support. When we fail, they encourage us. Don't give up. You can try again. When we succeed, they celebrate with us. Well done. We are proud of you. Imagine a student before an exam. The student feels nervous. Parents say, "We believe in you." A sibling studies together. Even if the result is not perfect, the family still loves unconditionally. This is support. This is family love. Family also gives us something very powerful, a sense of belonging. Belonging means you know where you belong. You know you are accepted. You know you are loved just the way you are. In a family, we may sometimes fight. We may argue. But after the fight, we forgive. We come back to each other because deep inside, we belong together. This feeling gives us security. It helps a child grow with confidence. It helps an adult face the world with courage. Belonging is love. Family love is also shown in traditions. Traditions are things we do again and again. They may be big or small. For example, celebrating birthdays together, eating dinner as a family, visiting grandparents on Sundays, saying prayers before bedtime, taking a family photo every year. These traditions create memories. They bring joy. They connect generations. Even if family members live far away, traditions keep us close. They remind us we are one family, we are one love. One of the strongest signs of family love is sacrifice. Parents often give up their own needs for their children. They may work long hours. They may spend less money on themselves. They may give up their own dreams so their children can have a better life. Siblings also sacrifice. An older brother may share clothes. An older sister may skip fun activities to babysit. Grandparents give their time even when they are tired. Why do they do this? Because of love. Because family means putting others first. Family love is very special because it goes across generations. Parents love their children. One day, those children grow up. They love and take care of their parents. Grandparents pass down wisdom. Grandchildren bring joy and hope. This cycle of love never ends. Even when a family member passes away, their love stays in our hearts. A father's words, a mother's kindness, a grandparent's stories, they live on inside us forever. Of course, we must be honest. Not every family is perfect. Some families have conflict. Some families face separation. But still, the meaning of family love is powerful. Sometimes family is not only parents or siblings. Sometimes family includes close friends. Sometimes family means teachers or mentors. Anyone who gives love, support, and care can be part of our family. Family is not about blood only. Family is about love. Family love can look different in every culture. In some places, big families live together under one roof. In other places, families are small and independent. Technology also changes things. Video calls, text messages, and photos help families stay connected. A simple message like, "How are you today?" is also love. The form may change, but the heart of family love is always the same: care, support, and connection. The love we receive from family shapes who we are. It teaches us kindness. It teaches us patience. It teaches us responsibility. It helps us build healthy relationships. It helps us create our own families one day. Even when we move far away, family love gives us strength. It lives inside us. Imagine a person moving to a new country. At first, they may feel lonely, but they remember their family's love. That memory gives them courage. That memory helps them make new friends. Family love is a strength we carry everywhere. Because family gives us so much love, we must also give love back. We can show gratitude in small ways. We can say, "Thank you." We can help with chores. We can spend time together. We can listen. Gratitude makes love stronger. It tells family, "I see your love. I appreciate your love." Even a simple hug, a little note, or a quick phone call can bring happiness to the whole family. The most beautiful truth about family love is this: it lasts forever. Children grow up. They move away. Life changes. But family love continues. A parent still worries about their grown child. A child still loves their parents deeply. Siblings, even living far apart, still carry each other in their hearts. Family love is a golden thread. It ties us together. It cannot be broken by distance or time. So, what does family mean? Family means love. It is support when we are weak. It is belonging when we feel lost. It is sacrifice when someone puts us first. It is tradition, connection, and strength. Family love is not always perfect, but it is always powerful. It teaches us to love others. It teaches us to be kind. It gives us courage and hope. Wherever we go, family love goes with us. Yes, family truly means love. A love that is unconditional. A love that is unbreakable. A love that lasts forever. Thank you for listening and practicing with me today. The topic was Family Means Love. We learned simple English sentences about family, support, and kindness. Remember, listening every day is the key to improving your English. Even short practice can help you understand more and speak more confidently. Family gives us love and strength, just like English practice gives us confidence and progress. Keep listening, keep practicing, and keep going forward. I will see you in the next lesson. Good job today, and never forget, family means love.